Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe payment dashboard, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Stripe. That URL is www.stripe.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Stripe homepage. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login link from Stripe. Open the email and click on the login link provided. This link will redirect you to the Stripe payment dashboard. If prompted, enter your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. You are now logged into your Stripe payment dashboard. From here, you can manage your payments and settings. Explore the different sections available to familiarize yourself with the interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.